Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn JavaScript switch statement, right? So let's start the tutorial. So previous video we have used nested if else. So let's check switch is better or the if else is better. So let's start the tutorial. So here I have written the code like I have initialize a constant day, that is Saturday, and here we have this is a basic coding structure switch expression, like which we are going to add over here. So it is day that we are adding. Case we have to add. Case if it's Monday, then code block, then break, then case, then code block. Default you need to pass the default code block, right? Default keyword specifies the some code to run if there is no case match, and break, like if the something matched then it break. Block in the switch code statement is executed. The next code, it, it if break is omitted, the next code block is switch statement is executed, right? So if suppose suppose Saturday and its matches over here, right? The case Saturday, then it will break the code and print this one, right? So there is Saturday Sunday both, then what they are going to print, right? So right now it's Saturday, so let's check which data they are going to print. And switch statement basically like enhance your coding structure level. If I suppose, and one more thing, if I going to add the same statements with the if else conditions, let's see what gonna happen. If, so what we are going to write over here, we have day equal to, suppose we have Saturday, then console.log, it's Saturday, it is Saturday, right? And again we have to write else if, right? So we need to start the clean codes block. So here we need to define if the day is Monday, then we need to write the code structure that it is Monday. So this way we need to add the full block like this. So I'm going to paste this and check Monday, then we are going to add Thursday. Last we can wrap in the else statement, right? So it's default day, right? See, this way we have to like if I will add all these conditions over here, then it will take the much more code of lines, and it is very difficult to understand the code, right? So it's better that we can use a switch statement if this scenario going to happen, right? So it's better to understand or read, and it's difficult for any developer to check each and every condition and write the their logic and execute that command. So for my opinion, switch statement is better than the if multiple if else, if your logic is gonna be highly complex, right? So it's better to use switch statement. So let's run the command and check, sorry, check in the browser, and check what console it's printing. So let's go to the browser, and so we are going to start with this JavaScript fundamentals F12. So final answer is good morning. Okay, let's uh, and reload this. Enjoy the weekend, and it's Saturday. So here it is enjoy the weekend. So it's Saturday, and it's break the code with enjoy the weekend D, right? And here what they are going to prove, it is Saturday, right? So just difference between is the lines of code, which you need to omit, which you need to standardize the code. If you're writing this code like yeah, this condition, that condition, and it mat, and this sucks your most of the memory, and this is not a well written code that gonna be a structuredized code, right? So for the structurization you need to follow the switch statement. If it is one or two, you can also use a ternary operator for the cases, right, to reduce the length of the code. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you understand what is exactly switch statement and what is the difference between if else and the switch, and which one you're gonna use it, right? So hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share, and comment, and have a great day.